DJM TV.
My correct person, I welcome you to another edition of DJM TV Daily News Update. That your one-stop channel where they give you better story there and ogbonge gist. All to what they happen for inside our country, Nigeria, and all around the world. If this is not your first time when you see any of our videos, I beg, don't forget to subscribe. Then you like and share the video so that your friends and your family members to go know say something they stop for this place on top YouTube matter. So not only YouTube we do, we also there for Facebook, we there for Twitter, we there for Instagram at DJM TV. We also get our website www.djmtv.news. When you go there, you go check out when they drop stories there as in Paseko Billy. You know how the matter they play now. Now under the ogbonge gist what we carry come for now at this very moment. It concerns the former governor of Delta State, where they call Chief James IB0RI. Some of the name don't ring baby, so they also say that they call your mind. Okay now, no wahala. Make I give the full gist until waiting the sub. Why the guy didn't news again for something wey be like say he don't serve G0VT for. Make una just hang on when they come. Now, the government of the United Kingdom that will say they want to return £4.2 million from the recovered loot of the former governor of Delta State, Nigeria, Chief James IB0RI. Say some of the kind of money that when the man back, you know that kind of thing, when he gather from here, carry go Obodo Ibo, and that money that you convert them, it could give you 3.2 billion naira. You can just say they don't want any business with stolen funds, and as such, they want to refund the money back to the original country when be our Nigeria. You know how the matter they play. Now, in case you don't know anything about this man, Chief James IB0RI, we'll give some kind of low down a small headline about the man. We just touch one or two for year, you know, 30 at 30. Maybe sisters get small idea about the man. Chief James IB0RI, popularly called the Odigbo of Africa. Now, two-time governor of Delta State. You understand? From democracy 1999 through 2003. Then he could do again. From there he could complete the tenure for 2007. And then the man do a governorship matter reach. Now, in the under the People's Democratic Party, PDP, now they rule for the 8 years when you rule Delta State as the executive governor of Delta State. Now after this matter, before you know, because they bring up corruption charges against him, say he pick one or two kind of money, will not be own, he carry government money, go they flex himself and the family. You know that kind of matter now. So they go carry the guy, they go arrest him, you know, bring up cases against him. But at some time, Nigeria go dismiss the case. Because you forget about the matter, say I bet the matter don't pass. But the matter trip everybody be like say, the guy go abroad. You understand? He go to Dubai. Now from Dubai, the government officials of that country, they call Pidgin. Before you know that, they go carry and go, they call extra that time go UK. And then they go rejudge the matter again. Say say some of the kind what they call a money laundry. Oyibo, person take money not be owned. Then I go see me. They go carry and because of a money laundering case, they go carry and go court for UK. And then the court for UK go sentence him to 13 years imprisonment. You get the check. So they go sentence him to 13 years imprisonment. So the guy go serve a G0VT complete for there. And some people go say why they go, you know, arrest her for that. And whether because they say he use the country name join as a part of means when you take carry money come from Nigeria, go abroad. And that will come be the matter they got a hold up. He served 30 years G0VT for them. But we not say from authentic source why the guy there for prison for London. The guy say they control one or two things for his state will be Delta State. In fact, he still gets say on the political arena for Delta State up to today as many they talk this matter. So you don't understand. So after a 13-year G0VT, they call release, they call come back to Nigeria. and they call her ex-convict, sake of say e don go prison, come back, you know that kind of thing. And as ex-convict, you no fit hold any political position again for life unless they grant her amnesty. Maybe any president fit just say, okay, more grant her presidential pardon, more commander ex-convict for a name. But until then, they say they refer to the guy as ex-convict. Now, Chief James Onanefebori, part of the money when he carry go UK, £4.2 million. The UK government does they want to return the money back to Nigeria, and they want to use that they send as message, strong message to Nigerian politicians. Say you cannot be person like say you dey take money from your country, they call keep. Not just to Nigerian politicians, but to even politicians in Africa. They want you to let them know say United Kingdom not be here, you go take money for your country, oh, then you go keep her for their country. They say they do like that again. Say if you fuck up any at this time, what one day for grand now, so if you fuck up, the long arm of the law will catch you. Wow, like this, you know the matter they be. And nothing like I beg. They say not there for all those once again. They don't tire for the way African leaders they do, they carry stolen money, they can't keep for UK. God bless now UK, now they encourage them to they thief their country money. You know the matter they be. So the Nigerian government don't send representative where go sign to collect the money, while the UK government send person wey sign to release this money to enter Nigeria. And already the Nigerian government don't get plan for the money. Yes, so now the Attorney General of the Federation, Abubakar Malami, don't talk say federal government don't get 3 projects where they want use that money to settle for inside Nigeria. Say since they bring the related fund come back, many of them like they can't give them back to people who like say go still carry the money again, go put am for another place where they no go see. So the federal government don't decide say they go put the money into 3 major projects for inside Nigeria. These 3 projects include the second Niger Bridge project and the Abuja-Kano Road project, and also the Lagos-Ibadan Expressway project. Now they go put them into these 3 projects to aid the completion of this project. Now you go notice say, wait to calm down. The money are from Delta State, and yet of the 3 projects where say one put the money, no one there for inside the state. Many people don't raise concern, say why federal government will take money. Okay, they return looted fund. Federal government want to take the recovered looted funds, take do project. They don't want to do it for the states where the money from come out. Not be say the state to get. Federal government they go put that for Abuja-Kano Road, Lagos-Ibadan Expressway, second Niger Bridge. For waiting now. Many people don't tell them no go green, they no go green. Which kind of thing be now? The money is supposed to come back to Delta State. But some people don't raise concern, say, una calm down and chill, una too dey shout. When the guy take the money, una dey hail and say, na our best governor, our best governor. When he come back from jail, una dey hail and the Igbo one of Africa. After you and you again, una dey make like in fact, it is safe to say that he be one of the political godfathers for Delta State, even as an ex-convict. Then now federal government don decide say this money will not be given back to the state. Because like they celebrate people when they loot their money. Some more kind of money go other states where go appreciate them when they shout. Why when they shout? Because people of Delta State don't come and say this is now why they don't go green. They don't go green. So people, even some people say Delta State, they don't begin to talk as social media they carry them. People of Delta say, when I say they pay the man when they thief for their money. Now federal government say they cannot give the money back to a state where like say that they celebrate people when they thief their money. When they carry and go where they go to appreciate the federal government initiative. And that's what they call her. That's what the Attorney General of the Federation, Abubakar Malami, talk. Say federal government go use that money to do the following the things they want to don't tell us they want to use that to do. One not forget say the money now £4.2 million. And if we change that by the current exchange rate, it will give us 4.2 billion naira, 4.2 billion naira. That the money go bring up for us inside Nigeria. And they say they want to put aside these 3 projects. Where some people they say more than wait. So some of the projects for Nigeria, only one, they take almost 10 billion. No? Now so one governor use 40 billion to do airport. So go sell the airport for 4 million. No? 4 million naira. We never talk. How 3.2 billion naira want to reach for 3 projects. This will not be another way to collaborate the fund, go for one corner. Because we don't say most of the projects they do for this country, they always abandon halfway. So do I reach one point. That I don't reach one point finish. They'll go wait for the next president or the next governor to go complete the project too. So it's not another way to tell loot the forward. They say, when they say IB0RI, but yet, the guy just kind of legacy down for his state. People like say, people that when they say they even they thief money safe, they don't even they do half of what IB0RI don't do for inside Delta State, especially in hometown and some of the interior villages there for inside Delta State. So when they talk this matter now, where AGF they talk and say federal government will take it to do the second Niger bridge, Lagos Ibadan expressway, Abuja Kano road. That be what I for our money gave me that one. They say make we ask the question. Now question people ask, so I beg go when I'm like they won't let me talk. Now question people I say people ask, you get the matter. Now also the AGF of Nigeria let us say this project will boost the economic growth of the nation. You understand? Because say these things they're an asset. Good roads na assets for business. When they make business, they grow. We don't say one of the major problems that we get for this Nigeria na road. Because as road not they make transport. They make, you understand? They make if road are not good, they make transport fare. They very expensive. For me, small distance they go say na 2,000 naira. For me, like say bike will carry you go for 100 naira. And because the road not good. So the AGF said the thing it go help to boost the economic growth of Nigeria. In the AGF also where be the Attorney General of Nigeria, Abubakar Malami, they also beg the UK say I beg anybody carry Nigeria money come on our country, more than they quick they return them so that we go feel quick recover the money, put them back into better project where go help the Nigerian common man. So I beg go why they quick they return our money, they come. We go really we go appreciate our well if they quick return this money there. They come back to Nigeria. Now, what did the AGF talk? Now it be that. So, my people, how you see this matter? They don't collect the money. They say, now, IB0RI carry and go UK. Okay. We'll not argue because the guy who plead guilty for court, he talk about court, say, yes, so, now me Tifa. Then they call sorry for and give her 13 years. But now, the federal government don't recover the looted funds back. And then they say they want carry and listen attentively. They want carry for 3 projects. Number 1, Abuja Kano Road. 2, Lagos Ibadan Expressway. 3, Third Niger Bridge. None of these projects they pass inside Delta State where the money from come. It good. It makes sense. I mean, now even go for Delta State people self. May they come carry the money go develop other regions and they have to develop their state. Say consider they celebrate the person with thief the money. How you see the matter? Shook my prophesy the matter. Well, now we will take on to the end of this edition of DJM TV Daily News Update. May you not forget, say, you go fit place your advert with us. You understand? Contact us, message or drop message to us. Our phone number will show for the screen. Call us. We will tell you how to go about it. Not only for YouTube, if you see we'll put your advert on all our social media handles for Facebook, for Twitter, for Instagram, even for our website. Your advert will they run. They should say the whole world will they see the product when you they say. You understand the matter? Not so forget to subscribe to this channel. Never forget that part. Subscribe. You say it today do. Touch the subscribe button. That will be like there for them. Make you touch it so that as news caller, you will be one of the first persons to say better dollar for inside DJM TV Daily News Update. Well, until we come your way again, my name is still Laworo Favor, and I tell you to say the one finger enters small.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
These Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.